Okay, today, basically, just for Adam to know, every lesson, there's always a prerequisite, meaning there's a worksheet to be completed before you come to class. So if you go to, like this, today is week 13, right? So if you go to on your portal, the 88 Tuition portal, and then you will see lesson 13, there's something called worksheet. You're supposed to click on it and complete the worksheet so I can see like what mistakes you made and everything, so I can explain in class, just to let you know, Adam. Okay, now let's start with my ant riddle. This riddle is very easy. I'm sure you can get it because it's just a riddle. There's nothing to think about, okay? What do you call a big ant? It's a joke, by the way. It ends with ant. So which animal is huge and the animal's word, the name of the animal, ends with A-N-T?
I know my friend told me this riddle already before.
Okay, Rohan is coming in. Wait, let me see.
Can I give
Hi,
the
Rohan. Wait first. I want to say hi to. Hi, Rohan. Welcome. Can you hear me and see me?
Yes.
Yes, but I cannot see you.
Yeah, I'm opening.
Okay, let me give you points for turning on your video. Okay, that's about it. All right. So you can mute yourself now. Background is quite noisy. Mute yourself, Rohan. So I was asking the children, asking you all, what do you call a big ant? And the animal is so huge, its name ends with A-N-T. That's why it's called an ant riddle. Please use your reaction button, okay? Don't use your physical hand. I see Abir's hand is up, Mani's hand is up. Adam, your hand is not up. Is your hand up? Use the Zoom reaction button, Adam. You know the Zoom? There's a reaction. Can you see their hands are up in the Zoom? Yes, the reaction. Anyway, Abir, wait, I'll ask three of you. Abir, what is your answer?
A giant.
A giant animal. Giant is not an animal. Good try. Amir, Mani?
Elephant.
Yes, fantastic. Yes. And do you want to say elephant as well, Adam?
No.
What do you want to say? Nothing? Okay, yes. Mani gives a point. Well done. It's an elephant. Good job. Okay. So obviously a big ant is not literally called an elephant, okay? Just in case you take it literally, it's a joke. Yes. No, Mani gives a point. Right. Okay, now next one. My question I ask you all the time. Please tell me you remember. Grammar MCQ for PSLE. How many questions? How many marks? Who knows? Grammar. Anything to do with grammar is a standard number of questions, standard number of marks. Yes, Abir?
Is it 5?
Nope. Good try. I already said this 1,001 times. You should already get into your head already. Mani?
Is it 10 question, 10 marks?
Yes, 10 questions. Grammar, anything. Grammar close, grammar MCQs. Always 10 questions. 10 marks. Okay. Let me write properly. Sorry. Now, yes, give yourself another point, Mani. Now, how many questions, how many marks for vocabulary MCQ? Yes, Rohan?
5 questions, 5 marks.
Yes, very good. Anything to do with vocabulary for PSLE, vocabulary MCQ or vocabulary close is 5 questions, 5 marks. Good. And each question is 1 mark. Now, comprehension MCQ does not exist for PSLE. It's called visual text or PSLE. They give you a visual text, a picture, right? And then they ask you to answer questions based on the picture. But of course, you have comprehension open-ended, which you write in full sentences, right? But MCQ, how many, sorry. So I want to ask you, not MCQ, comprehension open-ended. How many questions, how many marks? Open-ended. Do you remember? Yes, Rohan? Okay, so comprehension open-ended, it is 10 marks. Sorry, not 10 marks. 20 marks is the highest weightage in your paper 2, okay? 20 marks, 10 questions. All right. Open-ended, not MCQ, okay? The reason why I asked you for open-ended is because some of the questions that you have, right, in your tutorial for today is open-ended question. It's not an MCQ question, right? You have to write your own answer. Open-ended means you have to write your own answer, okay, in complete sentence. So when I was looking at your answers, I realized that some of you gave answers like in short, like a phrase, not in complete sentence. We're going to look at that later. Let's start with grammar MCQ first. Now, who wants to choose my pen color? Yes, Abir, I see your hand first.
The galaxy.
Okay. The galaxy. All right, let's go with the galaxy. I wonder where's Nicole. Okay, anyways. Maybe she's not coming today, but we will see. Okay, I'm going to spin. Oh, yes, I need, okay, in the chat, right? First come, first serve. Please type the fruit you want right in your chat box right now. So if you see your friend already typed the fruit already, we cannot use the same fruit, okay? So no repeating of fruit. So first come, first serve. Please pick a fruit and write it in the chat. So Abir has chosen peach. Mani has chosen orange.
Me.
So type it in the chat very quickly. So peach, orange is taken. What else? The rest of you. Pear. Rohan wants pear. Okay. And who said apple? Ariana wants apple. Okay, good. So we are left with who? We're left with Adam. Adam, what fruit do you want? So peach is taken, orange is taken, pear is taken, apple is taken. What fruit do you want, Adam? Peach, apple, pear is taken.
I
orange.
really like apple.
It's okay. So you're left with either lemon or banana. So can you choose one? Just choose one, lemon or banana.
Lemon.
Okay, lemon. Great. Okay. So if Nico was here, she would have chosen, she would have been left with banana. But since she's not here, when I spin the wheel, if it lands on banana, then I will choose, okay, who is going to answer the question. So please remember your fruit, so that when it spins, you know who you are. Okay, it's spinning now. And let me stop. Okay, lemon. So it's Adam's turn. Adam, you will answer the first question. Everybody else, please write your answer in the chat first. Oh, wait. Sorry, don't write the chat. Don't write. Let me change something first. I want to change so that only I can see your answers. Wait first. Okay, now I've changed it. Okay, now please write your answers in the chat. For question number 1, you cannot see anybody else's answer, only see your own answer because now you're talking to only me in the chat. So write your answer to this in the chat, and later Adam will unmute and he will tell me the answer and the clue. Why is that an answer? All right, let's see the chat. Please stay muted. Background noise is noisy, everybody. Adam, mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see answers. All right, I see 2 different answers so far, and only 3 of you have given me answers. What about the 2 of you? Please don't sleep. I need 2 more people to answer my question. Adam, also write in the chat. And Rohan, what's your answer? Just type in the chat. Okay, so I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 of you have answered. Okay. Yes, and Ariana. Okay, everybody has answered. No. So far I see 3 different answers. I see A, I see B, and I see C. Okay, Adam, what is the answer to this question? Adam?
Oh no.
It's okay. Can you see my screen? Just tell me the answer.
A.
A, yes, very good. Can you tell me why is it A? What's the clue?
Because water is white.
Yes,
So
singular.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Can you give us 2 points, 1 for the answer and 1 for explaining? So it has to be singular. So singular, there's 2 answers, right? A is singular, C is also singular. These 2 are plural, just different tenses. Now, can you tell me why is the answer not was? Was is also singular. Why is the answer not was? Anyone can tell me? Raise your hand in the reaction button. Yes, Adam?
Because it's a past tense.
Yes, very good. And the question, is it in past tense?
No.
Which word tells you it's not in past tense?
Water bottle.
No, which word tells you it's not in past tense, present tense? The word like, right? It's not like. If this word was I liked the color very much, then you can say was. But this one is present tense, right? So the only answer here that is both singular, right, and in present tense is number 1. That's why you cannot have any other option as the answer, right? So number 2 is a plural, right? And it's also present. right? Number 3, C is past tense and it's singular. Singular past. And of course, this one is plural and past. So all the answers are different, okay? So you must look at the sentence, look for whether it's singular or plural, look for the tense, then you write the answer. Okay, good. Very good, Adam. Don't forget to write your 2 points down. Okay, I'm going to spin. Okay, Peach. Who chose Peach? Who chose Peach? Is it Abir? You chose Peach. Okay, now everybody please write your answer in the chat first. To question number 2. Write your answers in the chat for question number 2. I'll count to 10.
I thought I just like put a tick on my worksheet on question A, right?
Sorry, I mean, you know the chat box on Zoom, right? Just open the chat and then you just write your answer. So it's either A, B, C, or D. Right, A, B, C, or D. Okay, so I'm seeing 2 different answers. But most of you have given me the correct answer. Okay, I'm seeing 2 different answers. Okay, good. Now, Peach is Abir, right? So Abir, what's the answer?
The answer is C.
Very good. Can you tell me why?
It's because like you cannot count stress.
Very good. Stress is uncountable, right? Uncountable. By the way, this is a very important question. For the past 3 years for PSLE, there has been one question about quantifiers, which means they're asking you to choose these are all called quantifiers. A, B, C are called quantifiers. Tell you how much or how many, depending whether something is countable or uncountable. Okay, so stress here is uncountable. You cannot count stress. So which 2 options are out, Abir? Because they only can be used for countable.
Many.
Yes, many and
A few.
yes, few. Many is few is used only for things you can count, countable. Many is also used for things you can count. Please mute yourself. Countable. So you can say a few books, right? You can see many books, but can you say many time? Time is not countable. You cannot say many stress, okay? And you cannot say so basically many and few are used to things you can put a number to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Little and much are only used for uncountable. Good, Abir. Now, can you tell me why is the answer not little? Why is it much?
It's because it's yourselves.
Yes, but why can't it be a little? Because it's saying don't put to something, right? Which he's doing something very extremely, right? So it's not a few. If it's only a little few, you won't say don't put. You will just say it's okay, right? The fact is he's overdoing it. That's why it's much, cannot be little. Yes, good. Abir gives up 2 points, 1 for the answer and 1 for the clue. Very good. So little, okay, and much are only used with uncountable nouns. Write it down somewhere in case you forget. This is very important. It has been coming up for PSLE. Okay, so you can say little money, little time. You cannot say a few time, a few money, okay, because those are not countable. Understand? All right, now let's go on. Question 3. Let me spin the wheel. Oh, Peach again. No, let me choose someone else. Okay, Lemon again. No, let's go with somebody else. Oh no. Okay, Orange. Orange. Who chose Orange?
Me.
Yes, money, right?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody else. Oh yes, you want to ask me a question, money?
No, I was just gonna tell just now I landed on pair. I saw.
Sorry, say again.
I thought I saw it landed on pair first, then you spin again and came to my name.
Oh, I sorry, I didn't notice that. But anyway, yes. Okay, anyway, everybody please write your answers in the chat for question number 3. You have 10 seconds to write your answers. Everybody, including Amani, okay, even though you're going to answer it. Everyone write the answer in the chat and then Amani will tell me what's the answer and what's the clue. Okay, I see answers coming in. Good. And I see so far most of you giving me 1 answer. Nobody giving me any other answers. That's good. Abir, what is this, Abir? You give me C and D. Choose one.
No, for C, I think it was another question. I think it was the last question.
Okay. Yes, Adam, your hand is raised. What is it?
I cannot put in the chat.
or you can't, you know how as a chat, right? So in Zoom, you see something called a chat beside participants. So if you click on it, you can type in the